Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Erica, and you're gonna hear the fan in this video, but I will try to talk as loud as I can. Can someone please tell Mother Nature that Oklahoma wants fall now, because 90-degree Fahrenheit in October, almost the middle of October if you think about it. It should be cold. Like, I remember when I moved here in 2007, it was chilly, and I remember telling them, I was like, I can't believe this is fall, you know, because I'm from Texas, and I was like, I can't believe this is fall, like, this is so cold, and I love it. Yeah, now it's not cold, and it's been like that for a while now, and I'm not loving it. I love the cold. I don't like the freezing cold where you feel like your toes and fingers are gonna fall off, but I do like being able to breathe, and I do like being able not to like just sweat all the time. But anyways, enough with the rambling. I have the stall down box. Kyle got her for me. He was really nice to do that. He totally did not have to, but I appreciate it. So anyways, he got this on Amazon. I think it was like $10 and something. So just round up to 11 if you want to. But anyways, she's really cute. I really wanted this one because her face mold. So let me show you what she looks like. She is very pretty. Like, I need to take her out of the box, but she is very pretty. And she looks like she comes with quite a bit of accessories and stuff. So let's take a look-see at that. So this is what she looks like. She is beautiful. I love this face mold. Ever since I've seen it, like, I love it. And I actually have this face mold. I think it's the same one that's in the Barbie extra with the bright green hair that I had named Gretchen that I got last year. But I really love this face mold, and I want to start doing skits and stuff. So instead of calling her Barbie, I'm gonna call her Babs, just because, you know, like Barbara, Babs, Barb. You know, like, I think Babs would work. I think it's a cute nickname. So she is really adorable. She's naked under here. Like, she doesn't have any undies or anything under this robe. And this robe is very summery and spring-like. But she's really cute. I like her shoes. Like, her shoes are cool. Like, there's in this nice salmony pink. It's looking a lot pinker on camera, but it's kind of like a salmon. Maybe like if you had to pick in a crayon box of like the big one, it would probably be the color melon. But it is really pretty, and it matches her headband nicely, except the headband does look a little bit more pinker. But anyways, she is really cute. I love her face mold. Like, I just do. I like it better than the Millie face mold. I know there's a lot of people who love it and hate the Millie face mold. I love the original Barbie, and I love the 90s Barbies, the 80s Barbies face mold, the early thousands face mold. But when they came out with the Millie one, I mean, like, I thought it was cool, but I didn't like how it just like took over, because to me that wasn't Barbie. This to me is like, hey, I'm not just Barbie, I'm Babs, okay? And that's kind of like what the look is giving me. Like, I think she would make a good Barbie. She is a Barbie doll, but I think she would make a good addition as Barbie, but as a different scenario of Barbie. And I'm rambling on about this, but anyways, that's my opinion on it. So she is articulated. Let's see if I can show you. I'm filming with one hand because I'm in bed. I haven't been to the craft room. And update, if you are curious, and if you are following my community tab, yes, I finally did get my shot for my back. So I got that yesterday, on Monday, and today is Tuesday when I'm filming this, when my doll came in. And I mean, like, the shot's helping. It just takes a while for it to kick in, and right now it's pinching and it's burning, but I know that in the long run it should make me feel better. So I'm hoping for that, because I really want to go craft. I really want to go craft. But anyways, so she can bend at the elbow and the wrist, so she's got nice articulation. It's not made to move, but I am going to see if I have like a spare body for her, and if not, then eventually I'd like to probably, I think she'd probably be a good candidate for like maybe the tennis player. I'm not really sure, but I don't even know what size the tennis player is. It could be like a petite, a regular, or a tall. It's probably a petite. I'm not really sure. But I do like that face mold, and I could just like switch it with this basic, not so basic body. Anyways, I'm rambling, but I'm in no hurry to do that. But she is really cute. I like her eyebrows. She doesn't seem like that pixelated that everyone is just like so complaining about. Honestly, I don't even care. Like, I like her lipstick. I like the subtle look. Like, she is like, you know, ready for the dewy, like, she's just got a dewy glow to her, and I like the no makeup kind of look. Like, I like that. A lot of people like to overdo their dolls, and that's fine. Me, I like it when it's the bare minimum, because when I think of dolls having makeup, I honestly think of brats, and I like my brats to have their makeup because they're the glam dolls, and Barbie is childhood to me, and I love it. And Barbie has always had makeup, but I mean, like, I love the subtle look. She is so beautiful. She is gorgeous, and I love her hair. It's not that annoying yellow hair. It might look a little bit more yellow on camera, but it is really nice and light off camera. She is really pretty. I still gotta remove those awful darts. Like, I can't stand when they have like those darts. It's annoying, but I'll take care of that soon. But she's really cute. So anyways, enough about her. Let's talk about these accessories that she comes with. So this is like a little towel. I don't see her using this for her body, but maybe like to, you know, like pat her face or something. I don't know, pat it dry. Because we also got this little doodad, which I'm pretty sure that this is for her face. So it's like a face cleanser massager thingy. Zzz, zzz, get that nose, girl. Zzz, in the chin. Zzz. Ah, you're making my peach fuzz. It's poking up too much, don't do it. Okay. Anyways, and she also has this mask, which is cool, and you can just like attach it like that. I like it when it's like that, and you don't have to actually like slip it in anything. You can just poke it in. So I like that, and it's cool. Like, it's like a nice jelly looking mask. She's got beautiful blue eyes. I love it. Okay, so she also came with this, which I like to think that these are like bath bombs, or maybe like those florally soaps or something. So yeah, they are really pretty, and I like that they came with multiple colors, and I do like the fact that some of it kind of looks like sand in there, so that just gives it an extra look. It might not be sand, it might be salt or something, I don't know, but I like that. That's one of my favorite props. My other favorite prop, the accessory that it came with, is this, which is like a little tea light thing, and it even has like a little tea light in it. That is so freaking cute. I love it, and I love the fact that it's a two-tone color, and it's adorable, and she can even hold it with her finger. 1 second. See, she can hold it, and I like that. I love that feature. That is a really cool feature, so I'm excited. I honestly think this would go good in like a Barbie bathroom, or, you know, just like in a Barbie room, actually. Like, it is just really, really cute. And since I did make a Barbie bathroom foldable and it is pink, I'll eventually find it, and I think I will place some of the stuff in there, because I think it will coordinate nicely if I like, you know, actually eventually use it. I don't know if I will, but this is really cute, and I am honestly thinking of doing like a DIY video on how you can make it, because it looks really simple. Okay, next, little Miss Babs has her feet soaking in this little foot massager thing. I do like the clear translucent vibe it's going. I like it that it's a different color. It'd be nice if it was pink, because to match everything else, but it is really cute, and I think that you can actually make this, and I might try to make it in another video of how to make these props and stuff, because I feel like we could DIY these. I honestly do. So I don't know, I definitely want to try that out. But she is really cute. Like, this is just adorable. And, you know, like, this would be even great, like, if you're, like, doing, like, a Mother's Day kind of video for your dolls. Like, I think this would be, like, a great spa kind of day. So, alright, so I feel like this pink one might be, like, a pumice stone. I honestly think that I'm going to end up painting this part, the front part, gray, if it is a pumice stone. I think it is, which is good for your feet. And I have bad callus, TMI, but I love a pumice stone. I love a good pumice stone. And I'm not really sure. I think this might be a comb, or it could be for this little pooch, like this little doggy. And this little doggy needs a paint job because it's a little bit too orangey brown. and it doesn't even have white in its eyes or anything, but it is really cute. I like the fact that the ears go up. So she also has like a little dog, and that's adorable. I will have to think of a name. If you have a name in mind for the little doggy, definitely leave it in the comments down below. So anyway, she also comes with this cute little ducky. It's like a peach. Damn dog. Anyways, it's like this little peach little ducky. It is really cute. I'm definitely gonna paint on some details for it. And then we have this little sleepy looking eye mask thing. I'm not sure if it's for the dog. It could be for the dog because it looks like it might be. I'm gonna test it out and see if it is. Okay, they look cute. They have their little mask and stuff on. The blue one was a little struggle to get it on one-handed, but when I used two hands, it was a little better. But look, even the little doggy has a little mask, and you know, honestly, I think it probably could fit Chelsea. I'm not really sure. But when I find a Chelsea somewhere in here, I will definitely show you. But they look so cute. I love it. So let me know what you think about in the comments down below. Do you have this doll? Do you have any of these accessories? If you don't, what was your favorite item, and which item would you like the most if you had it? Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Don't forget to comment down below what you think I should name this little doggy for Babs. Bye!